Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making a zebra marble cake. The zebra stripes takes this classic marble cake to a whole new level. It's easy to make and a great cake to bake for last-minute occasions. It may look so complicated, but I'm going to show you that really anyone can whip this up in no time. So let's get started. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line the bottom of a 26 centimeters springform pan with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 5 egg yolks, 250 grams of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this on medium speed until the mixture becomes pale and fluffy. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now we can add in the 250 milliliters of vegetable oil and 125 milliliters of lukewarm water. Beat this until everything is well combined. Sift in the 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of cornstarch, and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix this on low speed until everything is well incorporated. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. Do not overmix this. This is how the mixture should look like. In another large mixing bowl, add in the egg whites of 5 eggs and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Beat this on high speed until stiff peaks form. We are now going to fold the meringue into the mixture by using a rubber spatula, like so. Transfer half of the mixture into another bowl. Sift the 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder into 1 part of the mixture. Mix this until everything is well incorporated by using a rubber spatula, simply like this. So now we can start to make our zebra pattern. Alternately add about 2 tablespoons of the white and dark mixture into the center of your prepared springform pan, just like so. Try to form a circle shape while doing this. Now I'm going to run a wooden skewer through the mixture, simply like this. You can also use a toothpick instead. I just want to give the cake a prettier marble effect. Our cake is ready for the oven. We will bake this for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. My cake is done baking. I baked mine for 50 minutes. I'm going to let this cool down completely. We can now dust it with about 1 tablespoon of confectioner sugar, or you could also just leave it the way it is. That's totally up to you. This cake is very moist and fluffy. This is very easy to make and a great recipe to wow your guests with barely no effort at all. Just look at the perfect zebra stripes. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Make sure to click the subscribe button for more yummy recipes. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!